Welcome to our using Ajax libraries in order to do Ajax calls via JavaScript. We're going to be showing you all of the amazing things you can do when you connect Axios or jQuery into your project. I really love working with jQuery and also Axios. So Axios provides a really nice lightweight solution for making Ajax within web projects. And Ajax is amazing because it allows you to bring in a whole lot of data directly into your project. So in this example over here, so this is one of the exercises we're going to be doing, and here we're going to be using the Axios library. So what we're doing is we're connecting to a web API, we're getting a random username generated, and we're outputting the first name and last name within our input fields with those names. So the Axios library available at GitHub, and this is a promise-based library. It's really cool. It's got a lot of options, and best of all, it is lightweight and easy to use. So it just makes sense, and if you just need to have Ajax capability, this is a great library, great addition to your web projects. It's got a lot of stars, a lot of forks, a lot of watchers, so it's a very popular library and probably the second most popular next to jQuery. So it supports the Promise API. It works off of the XML HTTP requests, so it works across browsers, and it's really nice and neatly done. It also works within Node.js, so that's another great benefit. It transforms JSON data automatically, so you've got a lot of options and a lot of power behind this really nice lightweight library. So there's some examples here on the GitHub repository website, and we're going to be going through these as we go through the course. There's another exercise as well that we're going to be showing you, and we're going to be actually posting data. So we're showing you both get and post with the Axios library. So the first example, we showed you how we can get random values and place them into first name and last name. And we're also going to be showing you how you can post data. So basically what's happening here is that this information is being sent over to the server. So it's a really simple endpoint that we're going to be connecting to. And the endpoint basically takes form information and it returns it back within JSON format. So this is actually coming from the server. This is the response to the call to the request that's being made to the server. And of course, we're also going to be looking at jQuery. So jQuery, you've probably heard of and you've probably used before. Really amazing library. It's got a lot of power to it. And one of the favorite things that web developers like about jQuery is that it allows you to make Ajax requests. And it does this really nice and neatly. There's a number of shorthand options as well. So we're going to be showing you how to get jQuery and some of the options that are available within jQuery. And the nice thing about jQuery as well as Axios is they're really easy to use libraries. They just make sense within the code. And they also use standard XML HTTP request object within JavaScript, so it works across browsers, so you don't have to worry about that. And also it really nicely and neatly packages with the shorthand where it transforms data automatically into JSON. So if it expects JSON or if it reads JSON data, it will automatically transform it into a JSON format. And then of course there's the jQuery website. So a ton of information obviously here about jQuery. So they've got more about the API documentation. So you can literally look up any one of the Ajax handlers and all the really cool things that they do. So this is a great resource for jQuery, of course. And within the course, we're going to be showing you a number of examples with jQuery and how it works. And we're also going to be writing some jQuery code. So this is one of the examples that we're looking at. So we click the button, we make our Ajax request, and we return back some random data here as within our HTML. So that's completing that Ajax request. So every time we click it, we're making a brand new request. You can see that when you go into network within your console, we can see that we are making those Ajax requests there within the console. Can make this a little bit smaller. So there's all of our XHR requests and that we're retrieving information back and data back. So that's another request as well. And we're also going to be showing you quite a bit more as well with jQuery. So we're going to be using jQuery to select our elements. We've got some jQuery methods that we're going to be using as well. And we're also going to be showing you how you can post data to the server. So this is similar to what we're going to be doing with Axios, where we can submit information to the web server and retrieve a response back. So in this case, what we're doing is we're sending the information contained within the form, and it's being sent over to the server, and it's depositing that getting a response back from the server, which is formatting it within JSON, and we're getting that information back and then making use of it within our web page. So you're going to show you how to do this and a whole lot more within the upcoming lessons. And once you're ready, let's begin writing some code and doing some really cool and amazing things online.